Hello and welcome to our channel. Few people want to hide those ephemeral moments from certain followers, family, partners, bosses, groups of friends. If you don't want someone to see your story, you can simply hide your story from them and prevent them from seeing anything you post to your story in the future. Here is a step-by-step guide for you. Follow the steps to hide your story from someone. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile screen. Tap on the three-bar icon at the top. Select Settings from the menu. Go to Privacy, then Story. Tap on People option under the Hide Story From section. You will be shown your followers. Select everyone individually by tapping on the selection bubble next to their name. Yes, you will have to manually select everyone. Instagram doesn't provide the Select All option yet. Leave the person unselected to whom you want to show the story. Finally, tap on the check icon at the top in the case of Android. On iPhone, tap on Done. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.